Raw turkey day 20. Yes. Fuck, almost 3 weeks. Oh, 10 days to go, rather. And I'm here with a package. It's addressed to David Power, the raw turkey. That's me. And it's by my friend Rachel. Let's see. Intensely Italian crisp breads. Yes! Yes, I've got snacks! I think I'm gonna cry again. Conscious. Yes! Chocolate! Oh god. Oh, 2 of those. Oh, there's a brownie. Cocoa and cashew brownie. I'm really happy. I'm really happy. But now it's 10 days, so I'm gonna have to eat a little bit now and then. It's really good. Wow, great stuff. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I wish I had this. I had this in my stressful moments, because this really lifts me up. This is really good. Now I'm gonna have to fight the urge of eating all of this stuff. Oh, this is amazing. Yes. Oh. I want more. I'm not gonna give this to anyone. There's no way anyone is having any of this. This is mine. They can have all the fuck that they want. This is the only treat that I can have. It's like I'm like a dog. I'm like a dog with the little bones, you know? They get treats, but you can't give it. You can't give it to them all the time, you know, because then it becomes bad for them. So I get little treats like dogs. If it wasn't in the shape of a bone, I would actually feel like a dog. I do feel like a dog, actually. I'm gonna have another bite, I think. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Yeah, I promise. Just one more bite, and yeah, I'll keep you posted. Bye.